Very happy to be with you all in this moment, especially thanking God. And when you all stand here and we are viewing you then the background of our sanctuary, it has as you all know, it has a greater meaning when you stand here. You know how we reach here in this parish family after maybe a long journey. The journey that you all started from India, reached up here, some part of America, then united here in this area in different ways, and then we became a mission. We bought a church and we became a parish. പിതാവായ ദൈവത്തിന്റെ സ്നേഹവും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവിന്റെ സഹവാസവും സംരക്ഷണവും നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരുടെ കൂടെയും നിങ്ങളുടെ കുടുംബങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെയും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കട്ടെ, ഇപ്പോഴും എപ്പോഴും എന്നേക്കും. So, happy Father's Day.